Question number 5, Bundle 8, Module 2. For the right triangle A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 5, which expression represents the value of C? Okay, so the side which is opposite to right angle is always the hypotenuse, right? Here we have to apply Pythagoras because this is a right triangle and we are talking about 3 sides. So best property is Pythagoras triangle property. So here always you have C square hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. So its property is simple. Let's see. C square is equal to 4 square plus 5 square. Now, this is the beauty of SAT, that every time you do not have to reach to the end step, right? Sometimes the options are from the middle step. What mistake we can do here? C is to be calculated. So maybe some students will do it like all squared cancelled, and this is 4 plus 5 and A is the right answer, but it is not right. Whenever there is a square on both sides and you have to cancel it, it should be like this, right? Because it's whole and it's whole, you can cancel it, but you cannot cancel individual squares. Always remember this. This is not correct. So what if this is given to us, right? Okay, multiplication is also not possible. Now, even if I am trying like cancelling the squares, it is not happening, right? And also, if C is not a chance even, so that means 4 square plus 5 square is as it is, and this C square is removed by taking square root on both sides. Now we can cancel it. So C is equal to square root of 4 square plus 5 square whole square root. So D is the right answer. See, it's a trap question. You will see all the options, and if you are not thorough with the properties that how we can cancel the squares and the cubes, you may end up at a wrong answer. So go to very minute details of the properties, right? Okay. The function g is defined by gx is equal to 6x. For what value of x is gx is equal to 54? Gx is 54. For what value of x? So it's a game of words, right? You have to understand the right words and plug the values at the proper places. Now dividing by 6 on both sides, x is equal to 9. Trap of words. But I hope this is clear now. Question number 7. The function f is defined by fx is equal to 8x cubed plus 4. What is the value of f of 2? Now, this x is plugged as 2. So that means everywhere we have to plug 2 at place of x. And now 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, 8 8s are 64 plus 4, which is 68. So 68 is the right answer, correct?